Hey y'all, SEMA 2017, and Chip Foose has got a 71 Mustang that he did out here I think y'all gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. Pretty cool, right? I think the front of it is gorgeous. You know, that iconic Mach 1 hood, but they've sharpened it up. Tucked the bumper. I wouldn't argue with Chip because, you know, he's the man, but those wheels, they look like Star Trek wheels. I'm sure people will like them, though. I love the rear end of it. Kind of looks Torino-y. They used 70 rear quarter panels. I guess they were wider. But there wasn't, again, I tried to do a little research on it. I can't spend days running this stuff down, but there wasn't a ton on it. The interior is kind of a tip to what they did. It's a 2010, mated with a 1971, sort of. But I like it. Looks familiar. Yeah, like I said, back here, see, sort of, they used 70 rear quarter panels. They changed that up. When they did that, maybe that roof line changed a little bit or something. I don't know. I think you notice it most from the back more than you do from the front. But it's been lengthened 3 inches. The chassis has, the wheels have, to fit the body. And then it looks very standard 2010 Mustang. You didn't lose anything out of there. Of course, it's had the Foose spit polish put on it, but you know, I drive a 2008. That's exactly what they look like. That's what mine looks like, except for I got cool custom seats. But it's a cool car, you know. Like I said, the wheels there, I don't know about them. They're not for me, but who's to argue? He's Chip Foose, you know. And the bumpers, look at that, how tight they are. Up underneath the front, clean. Kind of standard looking, but, you know. All that had to be lengthened 3 inches. I think 3 inches. You know me, I don't know nothing. You better check it. Man, that is just a cool shot. If I'd have got the camera straight. Here we go. Gotta make fun of myself, right? Gotta troll myself. But man, that is a cool car. That's a beautiful angle on it there, and just shows you the styling that Ford had back in the 70s. And that's what I like about my 2008. It kind of reminds me of that body style, right? Well, look at this. I don't even know what to describe. I don't even know what to say. That's the rear end up underneath. There's a lot going on there. Very cool. Just the whole car. You know, I'll be honest, at SEMA, there was mixed reviews on people. Either it was like people either loved it or they hated it, seemed to be. You know, and to me, I knew something was different about it because, you know, obviously Chip's name's on it, so it's not going to be stock. And then when you look at it, something does look a little off about it. But not in a bad way. You know, I think it's a cool car. I was glad it was there. You know what I'm saying? You get the opportunity to get that close to a Foose Design car. That's always cool. So there you go from the SEMA show 2017, the Mach Foose. A 1971 Mustang, 70 rear quarter panels, 2010 interior, and all custom up underneath. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.